Kaya ang panawagan po dito, the greater reform should be seen among the people who claim to be looking for the soon appearing of Christ. Health reform is to do among our people a work which it has not yet done. Are we guilty or not guilty? Kaya nga tayo tinatawagan ng reformasyon eh. Bakit? Sino ba hindi guilty? Lahat naman tayo. There are those who ought to be awake in the danger of meat eating, who are still eating flesh of animals, thus endangering the physical, mental, and spiritual health. Many who are now only half converted on the questions of meat eating will go from God's people to walk no more with them. Mga kapatid, process of elimination to. Yung binasa natin tungkol kanina, yung preparation, may mga subject po yan. Bakit many were neglecting their proper preparation? They found unready, unprepared. Bakit po? Basahin po ninyong aklat na ito. Makikita po ninyo sa 33, under ng refreshing latter rain, kasama po ang health reform sa gospel. Ngayon, paano mo maipapakilala ang Panginoon ng three angel messages? Kunyari, nangangaral ka. Ang ginawa mo yung fear God and give glory. Yung give glory, pinaliwanag po ni Miss White sa Romans 12:1 at sa Ministry of Healing, Counsel to Neil. Na yung to give glory to Him, ipipresent po yung katawan mo na walang kapintasan. Malusog. Sa harapan ng ating manglalalang, na kayanan dapat na ituro sa mga tao sa sanlibutan na ang kalusugan ay hindi po pwedeng maagaw ng kung sino paman dahil ang kalusugan ay pinagkaloob sa iglesia na ating kinabibilangan at lahat ng mga mangangaral ay kailang maintindihan na kung hindi natin ibibigay ang full gospel, meron tayong kapananagutan. Amen?